Hey guys, what's going on? This is Shubh and today I am going to show you how to create level 3 helmet like a PUBG. So let's get started, okay? So for the creating a helmet we need to create partly, okay? So first we create a hemisphere for the helmet, and as you can see here, I just create a arc and one reference line and just revolve, use revolve feature. So select this line 2 and then 360-degree I rotate just, and then I create a sphere. And then a normal thing which everyone can use this, okay, just create a sketch at a right plane and then use extrude cut, okay. Extrude cut you can use, and then it looks like this, but and then I just use this shell feature, and shell feature approximate I use 2 mm, okay. 2 mm I use shell, using shell, and then I just create this hole for attachment of second part, okay. And you can uh, use this thing like this square, okay. I just create a one square by the right plane, okay, and then I just mirror it, and then I create this, and you can also change and modify it, okay. So first I create this main part, and then I just create this another part which is most important in the level 3 helmet, okay. So here you can see this arc, okay, this part which I use from here, okay. So here I just use top of the plan, okay, top plan, and using sketch feature, sketch and then convert, okay. So convert entity I here use, and then here I generate the curve, okay, and then I just copy it by control C obviously, and then here I paste, okay, paste control V, and select. First you need to select top plane, okay. You can use top plane, and then I just paste here that curve, but first you need to do one thing, is that when you are using here a curve convert entity, okay, then you have also use this offset entity in reverse, okay. I just use offset entity in reverse about 10 mm, okay, and then that curve I copy and here paste, okay. And then again I use convert entity about 5 mm reverse, okay, this in this side, okay. So and then I just use extrude cut, sorry, extrude, okay, extrude feature, base and bows I use, okay. And then I use fillet, okay, about 10 mm, okay. I use here fillet. So I just create this in this part we have to do method to create this thing. First thing is that just create just use that curve which we have previously convert entity and offset, taking offset and paste here. So first thing is that, okay, and then you just use this chamfer feature for creating this curve, okay. This upper curve and this lower curve, you can just use this thing, and I personally like this. As you can see, this feature lofted bows and base, because this is the very easy, okay, because just you have to create two path, two sketch and one path, okay. So I just create here one sketch, okay, okay. So I create here one sketch and another is here, okay, and one guide curve, okay, one guide curve, that's it, okay, that's it. And it's create. Okay, and just I select this part as yes, this part, and this part. Okay, and then just I select reference plane and just mirror, and then I mirror it here. Okay, so it generate, and this is the very easy thing. Okay, just select this side and sketch and 6 mm circle, and just you can use this what extrude. Okay, extrude you can use. This is the third part which is most important. And one thing is most important, that select your material, because material is most important when you are designed for a real life. I know this is the virtual game, okay, but this is most important where you are designed for the real life. Okay, so I just here select as glass fiber. Okay, so then I assemble this, and first part, okay, second part, and third one part. Okay, so here you can see there is the one pin. Okay, this pin is very easy, not at rocket science. Okay, you can just create right just first you need to select a right plane, and click at the sketch, and create 6 mm dia hole, circle, and then extrude it, and another you can enlarge this hole and make it this, so it looks attractive. Okay, and then I just create this. Okay, you can see this transparent. Okay, so it is very easy, but some of the people who don't know, I just show you how it is work. Okay, so as you can see, this is the our original part. Okay, just select it. Okay, and as you can see here, one option which is change transparency. Okay, change transparency, just clear it, click it, and then you can see the transparency. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this whole design and this video. If you enjoy really, then please smash the like button, and sayonara.